Hello everybody, my name is Shane the Game from SDG, and today I'm really sad because I had, once again, got hiccups. Turned into fusion. But today I had so much footage. Okay. And I can see it's Spirit Bears, and this was like 30 minutes. Apparently you have to do something with your phone or something in order to to go back to 15 minutes. And I went to 30, so I went a bit overdue with that. But anyway, I'll give you a bit of a preview of what happened. So I was just playing some Bee Swarm, and we did the Spirit Bear ornament. Luckily, but we also found this out. This weird thing, which was actually kind of helpful. Since the camera's a bit weird, this actually kind of helped us. It is a bit weird with jumping and stuff, but it's actually kind of cool. Since it also does some stuff with the camera, and you move sideways and do the cha-cha slide. But anyway, what do we? Whoa. On it. What have we done? Can we do this with anything? On it. On it. Get on this. On it. What the? Wait. What? Wait. What? Wait, does that mean that if we go here? No. What? On it! You gotta get on this, man! What is that? Oh, on it, what have you done? Oh, you've done something bad, man. It's very, very bad. Well, we just saw inside of Bee Swarm, so that's always good, but yeah, we got the Spirit Bear thing, as I think I've already said, but we also did a Beastmas Miracles. Now we are on Bee Cub Workshop 1, which is actually easy. Wait, 10,000, 10 million, blue pollen, clover 5 million, 5 million. Okay, the only kind of hard thing would probably be the 8 scorpions, but except for that, that's actually a pretty easy quest. And maybe the 100 tokens from Cub Buddy could take a little bit, but it's actually a very, very easy quest. But what do we have to do? So, I think we did say in the video that I was doing before that I really, really wanted to get Bucko Bee's ornament done. Since I'm kind of close, and it's just a kind of easy ornament to get done. And it would also probably give us a mythic egg. And what Polar Bear says to us when you hand in his ornament, it does say that we might get a mythic egg from it. Well, no, it says definitely. And this would be our 9th ornament. So all we need to do, from my understanding, is just do a little bit with this field, and we should get it done. Now, this is all great, but it's a lot more than a little bit what we have to do, so we actually look here. It's collect 100 million blue pollen from the cactus field, That's pretty insane, if you ask me. But you know what? We'll get it done. We'll get it done. Maybe. Probably not, but let's just do a little bit. You know, little bit of stuff. Since also apparently E is a hotkey. Ah, you guys have lied to me. Well, not you guys, people. I'll be back in a sec, guys. Ah, guys, I'm terribly sorry that I just had to go. But I'm back. Okay, right. So, I was trying to do Bucko Bees. Yeah, I think. Yep, we have. Find that out as that happens. We have got Tunnel Bear. So let's actually just wait here a bit. You know, do some sick moves here. Oh. Probably can't even see what's going on. Just wait for these guys. Come on. Speed. They should come back very soon. Speed and accuracy. Okay, right. And bam. Okay, right, let's go. So we're doing the Tunnel Bear. It's actually not said that his name is Tunnel Bear. People think it is. So I'll probably do Tunnel Bear and then I'll end it off. Let's do Tunnel Bear. Oh, yep. This should be an easy fight. And there it is. Let's just get all of these things. Go out here. Okay, guys. I'm logging off. If you did enjoy the video, then please like and subscribe. See ya.